挙式紫
Yo, what is up guys, Lint here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make displacement maps. Now this is a really easy way to make whatever you're making look super impressive without much effort, so let's get right into it. So to start off, just bring in the overlay that you want to use. I'm going to be using a Shockwave because I think that would work particularly well for a clip like this one. And you can see when I play the footage, it's really choppy, and that's because our composition is 60 frames per second while the source footage is 24. So if you have an issue like that, which you might not, just hold Alt and drag, and that'll essentially time remap the clip for you and make it play faster. So you can see it looks a lot more natural now. So next I'm just going to scale up the overlay a little bit because I want my Shockwave to be big and powerful, right? I want it to span the whole screen when I put it into the displacement map, and that's maybe a little bit too large. Looks about right, so once you're happy with how your overlay looks, you can just go ahead and pre-compose it. So now we're going to set up the actual displacement map, so go to New, Adjustment Layer, and Apply Displacement Map. Set the displacement map layer to the overlay that we just created. Increase the max distortion to something like 20. And you can see that if we hide the overlay layer, we already have a really nice shockwave going on. So the last thing I'm going to do is just a little bit of cleaning up. You can see that the distortion has brought about these black borders. And to fix this, you can either increase the scale of the clip by just a little bit, you can see it's gone, or you can use motion tile, or you can just do both. Voila! Finally, to prove a point, I'm going to enter the overlay pre-comp, and I'm going to replace the source footage with something completely different. And you can now see that our displacement map has taken on the form of that new overlay. So you can really do anything with this, guys, just play around a bit, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.